Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I am your friend Ashfaq, and in today's video we will see the Kubeadm installation. So this is my Ubuntu server which is having the IP address 192.168.0.148, and I am going to configure this server as the master node, and this is another server which is having the IP address 192.168.0.158, and I'm going to configure this server as the worker node, and both my servers have been installed on the VMware workstation locally. So first of all I will go to master node and I will do the system update. Now I will install the Docker in it. Yes, I will start the Docker with these commands. Now I will download the required libraries for the Kubeadm installation. I will again do the system update. I will now install the Kubeadm. I will now go to worker node and repeat all these steps. First I will do the system update. I will install the Docker. Yes, I will start the Docker. I will download the required libraries. I will again do the system update. Now I will go ahead and install the Kubeadm. I will now go to master node and I will go to root now. So now I have to disable the swap, as swap is actually enabled in my system. If I give this command, so you can see here swap is enabled. So for the Kubeadm, I will have to disable the swap. If swap is already disabled in your system, you can skip this step. I will turn off the swap with this command. So in this file, this is the swap line. I will comment this line. Okay, swap has been disabled in my master node. So this is my master node. So I will do the Kubeadm init on it. So Kubeadm init has been done successfully on the master. I will now export the configuration with this command. I will now set up the network for the Kubernetes with this command. So I'm going to configure this node as the master node. So I will generate the token on it so that I can configure the worker node. I will give this command to generate the token. I will now go to worker node, and here also I will go to root first. If I give this command, you can see here swap is enabled in my worker node also. So I will have to disable the swap for the Kubeadm to configure. If swap is already disabled in your system, you can ignore this step. This is the line for the swap. I will comment this line. Okay, so swap has been disabled in my worker node also. Now I have to configure this worker node with the token for the Kubeadm. So before that, I will do the pre-check with this command. Yes. I will now go to master node and I will copy the complete token which we had generated previously. And I will paste that copied token on the worker node. And at the end of the token, I will type --v equal to 5. which is the version 5, and I will hit enter. Okay, so it has been configured as the worker node. So it is asking me to run the command kubectl get nodes on the control plane. Control plane means master node, to check the status of the cluster. So I will give this command on the master node. So you can see the status for the worker is showing us not ready. We will have to wait for some time. Now you can see the status of the worker node is showing as ready. Master and worker both are ready. By this way you can do the Kubeadm installation and configure the master and worker node. Hope you find this video helpful. Like the video, share it with the friends and spread the knowledge. Subscribe to channel. I look forward you to join me in the next video. Thank you.